Hello, hope you can hear me. I'll eat lang. Pero while eating, I'll be opening that. Wow. Oh my god, look at that. This is so cool. I'll read all of this later. Sit upside down. No, it's not. So I bought this in Shopee, NexTool. It's the one brand I still don't own, but what attracted me was the wrench. Wow. The reviews are good. Actually, NexTool has very good reviews. That's the reason I bought it. There. Okay. Sorry, I'm eating. It's weird now, but that's just how I am. Nice. Beautiful. Wow, very useful. Very useful. Super. Not bad. Oh, sharp. Sharp knife. Oh, there's no lock. That's good. Actually, I prefer the lock, but some countries don't like it if there's a lock. They find it illegal. This is a nice screwdriver. It's also file, but I like the screwdriver. It looks very strong and sturdy, and I think it can pry. You can pry things with it. It's not just a screwdriver. Okay. So this is a Phillips. Not bad also. Okay. Not bad for a small tool. Is that it? Can't open it. Oh, here. Oh, wow. I did not expect this. Oh, wow. Imagine that. Dual. You have a wrench and a plier. Wow, okay. So, screwdriver, file. Two screwdrivers, a file, a wrench, a plier, and the knife. I think that's all you need. Yeah, that's all you need. Who needs more than that? It's very nice, very nice. Okay, it belongs to my belt. Put it on my belt right now. Very, very nice. I'm happy. As you know, maybe you know now, I carry a Leatherman. I carry many knives, but today I'm carrying the Leatherman, which does not have a wrench. I mean, yeah. So the NexTool will help make me more flexible. Okay. And after this is the what? Wait, let's see. Sorry. I'm just like this, okay. This is the NexTool. What's the name of this NexTool? W2. NexTool W2. And this other one will be the NexTool, what? The mini Flagship. Mini Flagship. Okay. Cut this open. Wow, there you go. Okay, check that out. This is a Leatherman something. Sorry, I'm not so good with names. I used it a lot yesterday, so you can see there's super glue on it. Pocket na. This is what I carry in my pocket. I love it. But this one is a feature. Might be worth carrying this. Let's see. The Flagship is known for a very weak metal piece here. You see that? It's very thin. It has a tendency to break off. So I hope mine doesn't break off. Nice guys. This. Oh, forgot to put it back. Okay. Let's see what else they have. If I can't find it, it's not my fault. It's the design's fault. They are flat Phillips. Okay. Not bad. No locking. A file. Seems to be useless. Yeah, it's a very weak file. And a flathead screwdriver. Not bad, kind of thick, so it should be strong. Oh, nice. Oh, this is very nice. It's a full-size silver. Wow. Okay. This is probably what I'll be using most of the time.
Excuse me, sir.
I really hope it doesn't break out. It looks so flimsy. It really looks very flimsy. It's scary. I've seen videos where it broke on them. It's really scary. It's like might break. See, the metal hits it. The scissor, it puts a stop there. It's because of this little metal that it will stop opening. But then maybe a little more pressure, it's going to break off. Then when you use the scissors, the metal actually hits it there. Oops, sorry. There. So first, you'll notice it will stop. See. Then second, there you go. So if I press it hard, it might put undue pressure. Well, maybe not, but still, it's scary. I'm scared to use it with force. Might just break it. But it looks like a decent scissor. Wow, not bad. It cuts really well. Wow. Okay, not bad. Not bad for scissors. Really good. Okay, and what else will surprise me? I guess this is the knife, yeah. That's right, it's a knife. Paired with the other one, the Leatherman. The Leatherman has a lock here. With the lock, close the knife. Compared to the other NexTool, to the W2, oh, wow, it's the same. Okay, for a small tool, you have the same knife. You have a bigger scissor, a much bigger scissor. Wow, super useful. I think I'll retire this first for a while by using this. And what else? Oops, the knife just got caught on the keyring. So yeah, that's one thing that might happen to anyone else. The keyring, it means the keyring is too big. They should have put it down even 1 millimeter. It would have made a difference. But that's not good. You might accidentally chip the tip of the blade. See, hit on it hard and you could chip the tip of the blade. Okay, let's see. How useful is this? Can opener, bottle opener, and whatever. Yeah, can opener, bottle opener combination. Can it open packages? Nope, cannot open a package. Nope. Could have been better if this was a blade edge, so it can open packages. But anyway, yeah, it's not sharp. It's really blunt. It's made for cans. Yeah, but it will. If this was a blade edge, I think it will still not break because the can will not use this. They could have put a blade edge there. Maybe I can ask someone to sharpen it for me. Maybe I can sharpen it myself. Okay, so you have your can opener, bottle opener, bottle cap opener, your knife, scissors, really beautiful big scissors. I'll most likely remove this, change it to a smaller one. This is too big, it's crazy. It's just too big. There, it's too big. It doesn't look good, it looks flimsy, it looks big, it looks cheap. I'll change it with a thicker, smaller one. else? Oh, the Phillips, flat Phillips, and the normal screwdriver with a file. That's it. This will be now my normal pocket knife for a while. I'll use it and stop using this first. And of course this too. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.